Coffee shop cars, day 5. Time to start this baby.
Woohoo! Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. 3.2 power. Oh, sounding beautiful. Yeah. Give me a bit of a rev. Yeah.
Coffee shop cars wrap up.
Take 8.
Okay. So where we are today, we're a step further by taking off this vacuum hose here and introducing air into the engine. It's firing up, or it's running very rough, but we are definitely a nice big step, a big tick on the box for getting it running. Basically, now we are looking at the whole air system. We need to become experts on that. There's 3 fundamental things we're looking at. There's a valve down here, there's a valve here, and there's a 3-way valve down there. We just need to work out exactly what roles they play in the whole vacuum system, and that will be day 6.
That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.